say, very happy, full, coming to the Philippines, watching through partnership with Caritas Manila. In behalf of our board, our bishops, the cardinals, and our in behalf of the all over the country, Onocom Philippines, no, Onocom, no, for this beautiful graciousness that you want to start your project in the Philippines. Sabi ni Roland, act of charity. In the Bible, it says in Psalm 137, but this is the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad. And village, and as the Bible says, where your heart is, your treasure is, there your treasure lies. We can feel the generosity and gratitude of Onocom leadership led by Mr. Ono and Mr. Watanabe, together with our local partners, Sir Albert, Engineer Albert, and of course Roland, who is more Filipino than foreigner, for choosing Caritas as your partner, and the first act of generosity coming to the Philippines for your beautiful innovative project, the 3D printed building. Once more, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga benefactors from the Onocom family. But of course, I would like to appreciate one person who was the conduit, for our partnership. I think he was the conduit of the Lord to bring us together. He used to be one of our officers in Caritas Manila, but now he's in a better place, ADB. I'm talking about Sir Geran Navarro. Where is he? Geran, this time. Yeah. Thank you very much. Geran was the one who called me and texted me if you're interested to partner with you, and they have this project in the Philippines, business project, but they would like to do some charity work, like coming out with this sample, proof of concept of this 3D printed building. Of course, I can only say yes. But of course, Caritas Manila does not own the property. The property is owned by the Catholic Church. That's why we got the permission from the Archdiocese of Manila, and the engineers of the Archdiocese of Manila is here. So there's no turning back. It's all the way, and we're coming up with our first project with 3D. Roland, right? First project. There might be future projects like the one you're looking at, this one. As we help you in the Philippines get your future clients, appreciating this innovative project. According to Peter Drucker, the great management guru, he said that management is about two things: innovation and marketing. This is an innovative project, first in the Philippines, and we will help you in marketing. We will combine the innovation and marketing for this beautiful project, and we hope that this structure, this multi-purpose center, will be a center in order to bring people together, appreciating charity, at the same time appreciating innovation, at the same time helping you, to spread your product all over the country. A new way of doing building. It's a new way of doing building using the power of 3D printed building. My board was excited when we introduced 3D building. As a matter of fact, our my dear Cardinal, my Cardinal, right now, Cardinal Advincula showed us a 3D product. Right now, the Cardinal is a pectoral cross. Every cardinal has a big cross like this. And he told us, my cross is made of 3D. And we were all laughing, but it's just busy that he was not here. So we would like to thank project, my is help gifted in construction. My helping the poor funds. For funds helping themselves. John, I told you, their honor, the child care of the project, no? Sa Manila. She takes care of the this is part of Manila household. Onocom, according to Mr. Ono, is 94 years old. 94 years old. Manila have been here, no? Our what's this? Is our faith, our love, our help themselves, creating innovative projects, helping the poor, you coming out with your beautiful project, helping businessmen come out with a better structure, and we hope and pray that we continue to work together, help us to promote you in the Philippines. These are proof of concept that 3D printing ready in the Philippines. So thank you very much. May God bless us 100-fold.